Good day, my friends. It's the next day for me and for you. So there is, for the microwave, there is a new capacitor and the old one and the new 10 amp fuse. But I hope it will work. It's a 1.13 microfarad. The old one was 1.07. But the guys say that one will work and they are knowledgeable. So let's hope. Okay, I'm going to put it back in and bring you back for a startup. Capacitor is in, guys, and the new fuse. So, right, I'm going to set you up and we go for a startup, and please hold thumbs. Okay, guys, I'm going to switch it on at the wall and we should hear it come on, just the panel. Right, that is there. Okay, guys, I'm so nervous, but some other time we have to start it, but I'm so nervous it doesn't work because it was an effort to get that capacitor. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, and it works. Oh my goodness. And I put a glass of water inside so that it can at least turn. Wow, that's good news. Okay, guys, I'm going to put it back together and then we will go on to a new project. See you later.